Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your sister Zainab here if you're new. So in today's video we are making chicken tikka biryani. So these are ingredients which we're gonna be using to make our chicken tikka biryani. So starting with the spices here, we're gonna use the spices when we boil the rice. We got zira, we got anise seeds, we got here cinnamon sticks, we got bay leaves, we got black cardamom seeds, we got green cardamom seeds, we got cloves. Coming this side, we have, let me just move this aside so I don't confuse you guys. So here we got Bryani masala, we got here garam masala, we got here chicken tikka masala, we got here turmeric powder, we got here coriander powder, we got chili powder, black pepper, we have I think this is zira powder. Yes, this is zira powder. We got here salt, and this is fried onion. Here we got tomato. I will need half of lemon. Another half I use I need lemon juice, so I squeeze one half. And here I've got fresh coriander. I've got potatoes. I'm gonna add potatoes, and of course we need chicken, and here is rice. So this is the cup I like to use when I measure the rice, especially when I have to cook for us here in the house. I just grab any cup. So this is what I use to measure the rice. We will need some green chili as well. Yeah, so now we're gonna marinate the chicken first. I will add the lemon juice. It's about 2 tablespoons, you guys. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm gonna add in there. Chicken tikka masala, about one teaspoon. I will add a bit of turmeric powder. This is zira powder, cumin powder. Yeah. Black pepper, just a little bit. It's about 1/4 teaspoon. Garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon. Coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon. I mean 1 teaspoon. Yeah, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Red chili, 1 teaspoon. Some salt. We will need yogurt as well. I don't know if I mentioned the yogurt, but I think you guys saw. We'll need yogurt. I'll add about 3 tablespoons of yogurt, and then I'm gonna mix it. The main ingredient, ginger and garlic paste. I was supposed to add that before mixing, but it's not too late. I'm gonna add that about 1 tablespoon. Woof, you guys. Then I will mix it again, and I will be back. Okay, now I'm gonna cover the chicken and marinate for about 1 hour. Okay guys, so I'm gonna wash the rice and soak it for about 20 minutes before cooking it. So guys, we're gonna use this large pot to boil our rice. In this water, I'm gonna add zira, which is a cumin seeds. I'm gonna add anise seeds. I'm gonna add cinnamon sticks. Here is cloves, about 4. These are bay leaves, black cardamom seed, and these 3 green cardamom seeds. So this spice is gonna give a nice flavors in the rice. I'm gonna add salt, another teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna cover and let it boil. Okay guys, our pot is boiling. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my rice. Okay guys, so we're gonna cook the rice for 15 minutes or until it's 80% done. Must not be 100%. Yeah, must not be completely done. You have to be at least 80% done. Okay guys, so here was after 15 minutes. Like I said, the rice must not be 100% done. You have to be a little bit hard. You strain it, the water, when it's still a little bit hard. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. Yeah guys, and then gonna just set aside the rice. And now we're gonna fry the chicken. So I fried because there was no electricity, it was load shedding. I wanted to grill this chicken, but yeah, was no other option than to deep fry the chicken. So I'm gonna do that. Okay guys, so now we're gonna prepare the sauce. I'm adding some oil. Okay, and I'm going to add these bay leaves. I'm gonna add a bit of coriander seeds. I'm gonna add cinnamon sticks. I'm gonna add 1 of these black cardamom seed, 3 of these cloves, and 2 green cardamom seeds. I'm gonna fry it for a minute. Now I'm gonna add the onions. It's already fried, so I'm not going to take long. I'm gonna add tomato. I will slow the flame and add the spices as well. It's a Bryani masala. This is about 3 tablespoons of Bryani spicy, a teaspoon of tikka masala, a teaspoon of that. We're gonna add a teaspoon of coriander powder. Garam masala, we don't need too much, just a little bit. Chili powder, half teaspoon of that. Turmeric powder, half teaspoon. Just finish it because it's not much. This is a cumin powder, about 1 teaspoon as well. Add salt, 2 teaspoons, and I'll cook until everything is nicely cooked. I'll add also just a little bit of fresh yogurt, about half cup of yogurt. I'm gonna go ahead and add my potato and cook together. Okay guys, the sauce, the tomato is nicely cooked, as you can see. So now I'm going to add the chicken. Now I'm gonna add some water. And I'm going to cover my pot and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Okay guys, we're gonna open our pot and check. It's having 15 minutes on steam. Yeah, so I think it's done now. I'm gonna off the flame. And I'm gonna off the flame and set aside. Okay friends, now we're gonna do the layering process. As you can see, I left some rice. This is the pot which I use to boil rice. So I strain it and remove the excess rice and leave some in the pot. I'm gonna add the chicken together with some sauce. I need to keep all the potatoes in first layer because it's not done. They must get enough heat. So I'm gonna put them on the center. Some sauce. I will add some fresh coriander, fried onion. I'm gonna add some green chili, just 1 or 2 lemon slice. I'm gonna add rice for another layer. So this is food color. I'm gonna add some food color as well. Okay, the sauce is finished. Again, fresh coriander, just repeating the same process. This fried onion, I'll throw like the whole chili and the chopped one. Only if you want spicy you can do this, otherwise the chili is not important. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna cover with the rest of the rice which we have. Okay, spread it. Color. And we're done. So this is how you must set your flame. Must not be too high. Yeah, just like this, you guys, just like this. Now we're gonna put the rice on steam. I'm gonna place this dish towel. Like that. And okay guys, we're gonna leave it on steam for about 25 minutes. Yeah, see you guys later. Welcome back, you guys. It's been 25 minutes. As you can see, I think our rice is done now. Yeah, it's nice and hot up here. So yeah, I think it's done. I'm gonna open it and let's check. Ooh, look, that steam, you guys. And the potato is also done. Yeah, so I'm gonna just off the flame. I'm loving it how it came out. Hope you guys enjoyed watching, and if you do try out this recipe, just come back and let me know how did it come out. And thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Love is bye.